Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best tools and gadgets so you can make the smartest buying decisions. In today's video, we're diving into what is arguably the best 18 volts lithium-ion 1/2-inch cordless drill on the market. The Milwaukee M18 260621CT Compact Drill Driver Kit. If you're a DIY enthusiast, a contractor, or just someone who wants a reliable drill in your toolkit, stick around. This one's worth your 5 minutes. Whether you're drilling through softwood, metal, or tougher materials, it gives you the control and power you need, without the bulk or weight of larger drills. Now, let's talk about what makes this drill smart. Milwaukee packs in something called Red Link Intelligence. This technology is basically your drill's internal guardian. It provides overload protection and communicates between the drill, battery, and charger to keep everything running safely and efficiently. So even under heavy workloads or demanding conditions, the drill protects itself from damage, which is a big win for longevity. Speaking of smart, the red lithium battery pack that comes with this kit is another major advantage. According to Milwaukee, you get 40% more runtime, 20% more speed, and 20% more torque compared to standard lithium-ion batteries. Plus, it's built to perform even in freezing temperatures down to -18 degrees Celsius, or 0 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for job sites that don't stop just because the weather gets rough. This compact kit includes a hard case and one M18 battery. That's right, a durable case to keep your gear protected and organized, and a battery that's ready to go right out of the box. While many competitors make you buy batteries separately, this kit has you covered from the get-go. The fuel gauge on the battery is also a handy touch, letting you check how much juice you've got left at a glance. The ergonomics of the tool deserve a mention too. It's designed with comfort and control in mind. The compact design makes it easier to get into tight spaces, and the weight distribution feels balanced, which means less fatigue, even during extended use. If you're a homeowner looking to upgrade your toolkit, a DIYer taking on weekend projects, or even a pro contractor who needs something tough, portable, and dependable, this drill is a great choice. It brings together performance, intelligence, and value in one complete package. Alright, let's wrap it up. The Milwaukee M18 260621CT Compact Drill Driver Kit earns its reputation as one of the best cordless drills in its class. From its powerful frameless motor and red link overload protection, to the impressive red lithium battery and cold weather performance, this drill packs everything you need into a lightweight, durable package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews just like this. Let us know in the comments what you want us to cover next, and as always, build smart, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next one.